Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I want to talk about the S&P 500. The S&P 500 within the all tensions in the world, within the whole tensions in the like Iran situation. America could hit Iran or not. Trump said it will be not so, but it could be. This is Trump. But within that, American market is still almost its all-time high level. That means if the threat goes, disappears, goes away, and this will be cause the all-time high break. It will be cause the all-time high record, and the rally will continue where it was left. So I'm bullish about the S&P 500 at the moment. If I have to continue with Dow Jones, I'm sorry. Also, is it the same thing with the Dow Jones? With all the tensions in the world, Trump, Iran situations, the Fed situation, still it's almost its all-time high level, and within that tension, almost tries to still tries to break its all-time high. So if the tensions will be go away, this will be all over soon, and it will be just hit a new all-time high. And the main reason for it is the AI hype. If I had to talk about the Nasdaq, well, as Nasdaq, when we look at the data, well, Nasdaq is the best one in the US markets at the moment because of the AI companies. Also, no, I'm going to say this. Nasdaq means all technology, the best 100 technology stocks included in the Nasdaq. Uh, so includes in the Nasdaq. So we are expecting a AI rally from the US markets, from Alphabet and ChatGPT. It will be go through the how can I say that thing? It will be go public, but it's a special name. I forgot how to say it. But all the tech companies are in the Nasdaq. So within that tech companies, we are expecting a AI hype in the US markets, a rally because of the AI. So I expecting it to be Nasdaq will be lead to this. How well Nasdaq will be lead this rally, and S&P and the Dow Jones will be follow it from the backwards. If you look at the daily, it's stuck in the triangle, but it can be break it. But in weekly, as you can see over here, it surges through the bottom side for a long time, and I think it can be. I think it will be break it this triangle, and when it break it, it will be go to the this top side of this trend line level. My opinion about it. Sorry. Well, if I had to talk about the VIX, I'm going to go daily. Well, within the tensions like Iran and Fed chairman's investigation, all of that stuff, VIX gone up to the Kaufman moving average, 16.5, but it gone down. So there's not much a problem in the U.S. economy right now, or U.S. situation, or the tensions. It's peaceful environment to be do investment at the moment. All everything is peaceful at the moment. So if I have to talk about US 10 years, huh? Well, I made a video about it last days. The US bonds, 10-year bonds, are goes through like the 420 and 450, 413 side, goes like this. It's a stable. So I think in the later on it can be go through like 423 to 423, and can be go down because the Fed will be still continue to decrease its interest rates, cut interest rates, sorry, cut interest rates. So if you are going to buy TLT or TMF, well, I won't suggest it very much, but it can be bought through here because I wouldn't buy because back in the days it was 483. So I wouldn't. But if you are too curious about the TLT or TMF to make gain from the bonds to go down, it's a good situation to buy maybe. Well, if I have to talk about the gold, gold is going down. It went up to the Fibonacci level and it gone. It seems like it's rejected it. They didn't yet finish, but it seems so. Well, the gold is gone up really much, and uh, gold is the most trustable commodities at the moment. So, well, uh, what is feeding gold right now? If we are going to talk about it, what is feeding the gold right now? If we are going to talk about it, well, Trump made an announcement about the it will he will not going to hit Iran or some he's not going to do something like that. But this is Trump. We don't know what's going to be happen. And today is Friday, and the markets are just yet new opened. Maybe Trump could do a strike or something when the market closed in within the weekend, because the Monday days the days where markets are closed. It can be do it. He can be do it. So the markets are a little bit have attention about it. So it makes gold a little bit buy at the moment. Uh, so we will see what going to be happen. Well, the gold doesn't move very much faster because it have depth, but it seems 0.1 point half downside. It seems so. If we are going to talk about the silver gone up really fast, and it hit the 94 levels, but it come down to the Fibonacci and still goes for the Fibonacci. It seems the Fibonacci will be break, and it can be go through like 74 at the moment. But my long-term opinion about the silver, I don't know when this will be go. Sorry, I don't know when this will be going to be happen, but my opinion about the silver, it's going to be 55 54 levels. It's going to be go through that way. Another scenario, it will be 64 for my analysis. Well, I'm going to say the same thing with the platinum uh, have a struggle about going for its all-time high. Tried it, gone back, tried it, gone back, and it's says it can be go through it. So this make a profit sales because the platinum made a very good profit in the close very short time. So it can be go down to the, I don't know, 1700 or something like that, 1700. It seems so. It can be happen in the within the months. So I'm not going to buy. I will never going to buy platinum at the moment. If I had to talk about the Bitcoin, this is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin has gone down and very suffered from the 80,000 levels, 80,000, 9,000, 80,000, 9,000, that levels. And then 2 days ago it break it, this trend line, this Fibonacci level, as you can see. So, well, if we are going to look at indicators, I'm going to open the Ichimoku to show you. Well, it's entered the Ichimoku cloud. Ichimoku cloud has have a uncertain ways. We cannot be certain about where it will be go. It just moves around in the cloud. So entered and gone up, but gone out and gone back in. So the US markets are open right now. We have to see what's going to be happen. If it can pass through it, and if it made past the Ichimoku cloud, this is a bullish sign. We can comfortably buy Bitcoin. But here on, there's a danger bells are in here at the moment. We will see what's going to be happen. And if I have to talk about the Ethereum is out of the Ichimoku cloud, but Bitcoin is struggling at the moment. So Ethereum is not very have a beta to go along with the Ichimoku cloud itself. We will see what's going to be happen. Bitcoin have to be past the 96, 97, 98,000 to be Ethereum to make its way but it seems not in, so we will have to see what's going to be wait for us at the next week. XRP is in bad situation right now. I don't suggest it because Bitcoin seems little bit troubled with resistance level, and XRP seems also technically bad. So I wouldn't suggest XRP right now for me. Well, I'll suggest this. This is Monero. Yes, this is Monero. And Monero has gone up really good. As you can see over here, 76% in 4 days, only in 4 days. So it's normal to be stop in here. It can be go through here. It can be go between the 800 and 650 levels. It can be stagflate or around there. It is normal. It gains. It went up really good in the really short term. So maybe it have to be it have to be brief at some time, and it seems so. It's breathing right now to catch its breath because it went very fast in the very long run. So it seems good. We are waiting for the Monero, and my goal in the Monero is to be hit 2500 with this rally, because rally just new yet started. Well, this is all I'm going to say. Thank you for watching. See you all.